the shoes off your feet. Volcanoes may still shape my land with ancient lava, sea so grand. I have no moons, I stand alone, a radiant queen on a sulfur throne. Venus veiled in fire, greenhouse forged in fierce desire, crushing clouds in endless haze. I haven't seen stars in countless days, spinning backwards, slow and strange. My days and years have rearranged. A day on me takes longer still than a year to circle the solar hill. The sun moves slow from west to east, in retrograde I tame the beast. No magnetic field, my core is still, but lightning dances in the chill. Beneath the clouds, what lies below? A mystery that burns aglow. Venus veiled in fire, where science meets a harsh empire. From Soviet probes to NASA's gaze, I've kept my secrets through the blaze. Spinning backward, bold and strange, the rules of planets I rearrange. So next time you see me in twilight's gleam, know I am more than a distant dream. I'm Venus, beauty, wrath and flame, a cosmic force with many names.